Today I'd like to share with you about social media currency, or what we like to call digital currency, and to compare it with our currencies today and why are social and digital currencies very important, right? So welcome to the video, and if this is the first time you're here, I am Charmaine and I share weekly content about social media, digital marketing and entrepreneurship. So firstly, let's talk about social status. When we talk about our actual currency, we talk about the money that we have, cash at bank. Last time people like to talk about credit cards, but I don't really think that it's something of like a social status now. Everyone can have a credit card so long as you have a minimum wage, right? Or even if you have a fixed fee, you can have a credit card now. Number three, your condo, your apartments. Some people think that cars are an asset. I don't really think so, but it's like a social status. So those are your currency, right? But let's talk about social media and digital marketing. What does it do for you and your business? And that's what we call digital currency. Why is digital currency important today, right? So we talk about three types of content on this digital platform, okay? First, earned media, own and paid media. So let's talk about these three. Own are basically your social media platforms, your Instagram pages, your YouTube accounts, LinkedIn, Facebook, right? So those are your own social media, your own digital currencies. When you have these platforms and you start posting, you start drawing an audience to you, that's what we call an owned media. Then we talk about paid media. You can pay for advertising on Google, you can pay for advertising on Facebook and Instagram. So both platforms, or three platforms that we are talking about, even YouTube, right, where you can pay for advertising, these are what we call paid media. Your websites are also your owned media, right? So your website, I always say that it is your 24/7 salesperson. So those are your own media. And what is earned? What is earned media? So earned media are things like your reviews. It gives you social proof. What are people saying about your companies? Your followers, number of followers, right? And these are what you have earned by sharing good content, valuable content, or attractive content that inform, educate, or entertain. You attracted a group of audience to you. One of the best case studies I can think about right now is SGET, right? SGET entertain people, but at the same time, they are able to influence you. That's why companies, government agencies have engaged them to communicate the messages that they want to communicate with them. So think about these things and let me know if you have any questions about the importance of digital currency today and how you can get started.